ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. It's beautiful today. Today is going to be a high of 50 degrees on this gorgeous Thursday, mid-January. Right now it's about 40, so it's a little chilly. Yes, my dials are still fucked, or damn, not working. That's what I should say. No swearing. This is a no swearing vlog. Ooh, there's a ball on the ground. Yeah, I'm taking a little cruise to Dumbo. Got to take care of a couple of things. I actually replaced my battery yesterday, so my battery kept dying. It was over 3 years old, and it was time. So decided to share a little ride video with you all fine folk. Yeah, and today is a very special day. I don't usually do this, but I gotta give a shout out to my cousin Slava back in Russia. He is turning 18 today, actually, and yeah, I wish him nothing but life full of love, health, and happiness for sure. So everybody in the comments say that. Oh, and another thing, he's got a gaming channel on YouTube called Leonid Channel, and it's spelled like this: LeonidChenel. I'll tag it below, but you guys should go check it out, give him a sub, and make his day. Make it the happiest birthday ever. Oh, that was a silly move on my part, sorry. So yeah, have the best birthday, bro, for sure. And I'm running a little late, so I'm not doing anything crazy spicy, but I am getting ahead a little bit. I feel like I haven't ridden my bike in a freaking week. What's happening here? Why is everybody so... What the fuck is going on? What is happening here? There we go. Can't believe I made this light. That's a freaking miracle. There we go. Yeah, I have a video game channel as well. It's secret though. I'm up to 31 subs there, so I'm making way. But yeah, Leonid Channel. Such a nice day. It's funny, I waited the whole damn winter. Now it's nice again. Now it's 40s and 50s, and my dash is still messed up. If I tell you guys when I bought the new dash to replace this one, you're gonna laugh at me. September 1st. But the thing is, I gotta send it out. I gotta send my old dash, this dash out with the new one, so it's like my bike is gonna be down for like 10 days, which I hate, which I really dislike. Well, go ahead, bro. Get on that BQE, my friend. Rebuilding the forks on this baby. It's gonna be all right. How much gas we got? Half a tank. It's pretty fucking good. Uh-oh. Popo. We got police ahead. Watch out. Where is this police? Don't really see it. All I see is traffic. I guess police is off the BQE, so it affects us even less. All right, let's get in there. Come on, brah. Why you do that? Why you do me like that, you bitch is? Cock smoker. Can't squeeze the gap. Give it a minute. Wow, traffic. I was gonna go the local way, but I don't think it's worth it today. Here we are. We're back to the vlog after 7 minutes of vicious splitting. I don't know why there's so much traffic today. The BQ is just a mess over there. Oh, look, this park is coming along. Oh, it's gonna be glorious. It's gonna be a glorious little park. Nice. All right, we'll pull off right here. Hopefully there's no wild, crazy construction going on. There will be. There always is. We'll just take our time. You know what I mean? Try not to freak out. Beautiful Dumbo. At least it's not cold. It's already warming up. And the warm temperature warms up my soul and my my calmness. Get to look at this building nice and chill. Look at that. That's a nice little patio. I mean, granted, you're looking at the BQE, but still, not a bad view. I feel like I gotta lube my chain. It's probably a thing. Yeah, I'm gonna, tomorrow when it's gonna be 50 something, I'm gonna wash my bike, clean it. Bro, are you gonna go? Why are you going so slow? You're killing me, bro. There's not even traffic. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. There we go. Whoa, salt attack. Forgot about the salt. Right. This neighborhood is salty as shit. No salt. Let's stay away from that. All right, we're good. Quick little stop there. Get behind this Uber. Yo, don't let that truck go through. You mad? Yo, over there we got trucks, so we'll take a left. There we go. Excuse me. You see me? Bruh. What are you doing? It's a cute bicycle though. I think it's electric. Can turn that way. Bro. The fuck you doing? You turning that way or this way? Go! Cocksucker. Did you see that? The dude was like, had a right turn signal, then left. Freaking weirdo. I guess I should have waited for him to complete his maneuver. Oh boy, they're blocking that street, aren't they? All right, that's fine. I knew that was going to be a part of the adventure. Road closed. So I guess we got to go that way, huh? All right. I knew that was going to be it. Dumbo is becoming more and more of a pain in the butt to get around in. But in the end, it's still fun and worth it. And I do like the bumps and freaking humps. As long as I don't get stuck behind some construction truck. That's the worst drawback money can buy. All right, I'm gonna go straight and try to because today is Thursday. Go. Wasn't sure what the fuck's going on there. It's the taxis. They're like, want to get the perfect drop-off or pickup point. It's like, bruh, can't stop in the middle of the road. champion. Hey dog, what's up? All right, now we hope and pray for the best, so we can get a good parking spot right away without the extra excitement. Like, look, why is there people doing this? Like, it's the third car today that is doing this kind of shit. I have no idea what's happening. But there's wild construction over here. Look at all this. They're blocked off everything. What does that mean for a person like me? I don't know. But look, all these spots. Savagery. Where do I even park? Nope, can't park there. You probably park right there. Right? Yeah. It's gonna be alright. I don't think that's a problem, is it? There we go. We did it. It's a little close. There's no need for that. So we'll push over a little bit farther. That's a garbage truck. It stinks. Alright, we're good. I forgot how to get off the bike. It's been so long. No parking towaway zone. Alright. I think I'm good. I don't think I'm in the throwaway zone. Or should I park right there? Oh. There we go. This is better. It's yellow. Alright, I gotta go back to over here. No. Go back to over here. That'll be fun. Am I still recording? Probably possible. It's probably possible. So, this is good. We're done. So this is it. This is the thing. Is it the best parking spot? Maybe not. But it could be. Anyway, long story short, we're okay. All this cussing and yelling in the vlog, why? Why? Why do I freak out at these poor folks? I don't know. Good question. Anyway, I shall talk to you guys later, okay? This was a good time. Bye.